Hey guys, it's Kelly here, up at Shoes of Hollywood again today. I'm going to be doing another shoe review for you. So I've got something a bit different this time. I've got a Demonia boot, which I haven't done before. So this one is the Muerto style 2028. As you can see, it's a nice leather look. It's actually fake, so it is a vegan leather. It does say on the box there as well, so if that's what you like. Yeah, nice matte black here, as you can see. A bit of a goth style, something a little bit different. So you can see we've got a 5.5 inch heel here with the bone style on it. Got some studs here at the back. They're not too sharp, but you know, you could do a little bit of damage if you wanted to. And the Skull and Crossbones down here on the buckles. But we have, again, got the zipper on the other side, so you only really need to lace it up properly once and then you're pretty much set to go. And down here on the heel you can see we've got the pewter kind of colour down here. A little platform at the front, so super comfy to wear. And as always, a nice grippy sole. Alrighty, we'll try these on and we'll go for a walk. As you can see, these ones are a really good quality boot as well. They've got really good quality eyelets on there, and they actually say Demonia on there as well.